Hey TikTok family, it's your girl Ariel and I'm back with another video. So today I'm going to install this 13x5 wet and wavy wig. I got it from my local beauty supply and it's 28 inches. It was on sale for $1.99, but the original price was like almost $4 something. So I'm like, well, since it's on sale, I guess I'll go ahead and buy it and see what the wig is giving. So y'all come with me as I get this wig prepared for me to install it, y'all. And so I'm about to take the wig out the box and let y'all see what the wig is giving. Okay, so this is me taking out the box, and y'all, it's giving, and I'm gonna show y'all the tag, so don't nobody be in the comments ask me what's the name of the wig, how many inches. There it is. There it goes for you. There it is. There it is. Y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Okay, so I caught myself trying to dye my hair, and it was a complete epic fail. Like, it was an epic fail. It did not come out the way I wanted it to. But hey, you let me learn. I'm not a hairstylist. I just know I can't afford to be going to get my hair done every 2 weeks because y'all stylists is expensive. Y'all expensive. But anyway, this me trying to dye. But like I said, it was an epic fail. So we just gonna accept it for what it is. So after I get through putting the bleach on my wig, I went and got me some seafood. And I love me some juicy seafood. If y'all in Dallas, go ahead and get y'all some. And I ate my crawfish. That crawfish was so good and spicy. It was so good. But anyways, this is how the wig ended up turning out. Come back for part 2 and watch me install it. Bye, y'all.